right, yeah, if you want to go ahead and
I'm just gonna freeball it.
Okay, let's do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, today we're in the WILDWOOD Grand Lodge 44VIEW 2024.
2025.
Okay, hold on, start over. Today we're in the 2025 WILDWOOD Grand Lodge 44VIEW. Something that everybody has liked about these park models is the windows. This whole wall here is full of windows in the top part of the front side, as well as in the master bedroom, and it also includes this sliding glass door at the ends for tons of natural light. In the 2025 version, come with the couch. It's a little bit nicer pleather couch. We still have our televator TV, a little bit of extra storage in this area too. You'll see JBL speakers that are also featured on the outside. There are two different lofts on either side of this park model. There's actually some really cool accents on the rear wall. An updated mattress here as well. There's also some plugins at the top, but the really cool part comes with that headboard accent. There is a window in the back here as well for extra natural lighting, and this closed curtain to make it a more private bedroom area. When you come down here, another feature that they've added just for aesthetic purposes, all these doors have this really cool look to them now. Bathroom space is extremely big. The shower is very big. It's one of those walk-in showers that even if you're 6'6", you'll be able to fit in comfortably. Your washer and dryer here in the back. More storage spaces in the back and underneath the sink. But more importantly, it has a really pretty look to it. It all looks really well, combining with the shades and the accents with these walls here and the doors. When we go into the kitchen space here, you'll notice all of the appliances are still residential sizing. So you've got your 4-burner top here, residential sized microwave, and tons of storage in this sort of stuff. So this will pull out, you can put all of your extras here, as well as above their storage. Drawers all the way down the sides. And there is actually underneath the sink space as well for your garbage. The sink is also residential size. It'll come with a glass cleaner as well. The sink is actually slanted, so the same way where if you want all of your stuff to run to the drain, it makes that a really easy process. Hard tops all the way around, and lots of natural light coming in. So we do have the lights on, but even if we didn't, it would still be pretty bright in here as well. Double door fridge with freezer space as well, and an extra drawer with an ice maker too. Then you have your second bathroom, which is also super spacious with those really nice accented doors here. Good storage space on top for all of your extras underneath the sink as well. Then it takes us into our second loft, which has plenty of space. There's 2 beds on either side with their own window spaces, with those nightshades and privacy curtains as well to make it a more private space. Again, with these park models, one of the biggest things is making the most amount of space for the entire family. One of the best parts about it is the master bedroom. So while we're going in here, you'll notice your storage bins as we go through this door here. But tons of space. As compared to fifth wheels park models, when you're tall, there's space all the way throughout. This is a VersaTilt bed with the same headboard that we saw in the front. Storage underneath this counter space here. You can set a TV on top of this. But most importantly, look at all the windows. 2 on either side of your VersaTilt bed, 3 on the front side here, and a big one on this side. They all have those night shades, access to a thermostat behind the door too for easy access to that. We also have your own private fireplace there as well, but a massive master bedroom. MSRP on the 44VIEW is $114,000. Midway has it priced at $99,900. That's over $14,000 of savings. My name's Joey. Come on down to Midway Auto and RV, 6260 South Frontage Road, or give us a call, 406-240-5899. That's my phone number, just in case you're wondering. Us means me.